All right, first of all, Andre Blake, what's taking place here today?
Yeah, the Andre Blake Goalkeeper Clinic. 24 goalkeepers from the Man and the Costa Cup. Really important day for me. Something I've always wanted to do. So I'm just very happy and excited that the day has come, and yeah, it's been going good so far.
What inspired you to do this specifically, this event?
Yeah, I don't think goalkeeping is a very special position, and I don't think it gets enough attention that it deserves. And living the dream of being a professional goalkeeper, I know what it takes. So I think that it would be really important to really come back, to my home country and try to share that knowledge and share that experience with the younger generation.
All right, so since you've been here from the, have you seen anyone, or have you seen people look stand out and you're impressed with so far?
I mean, it's the first day, there's nerves, and as I said to them before, today you're not going to make it or not make it. It's more about giving them the opportunity, to really realize what it takes, and then they can reevaluate and see where they are, and if they're on the right path, So it's more of presenting an opportunity for them to learn and to grow and to, gain some experience as to what it takes to get to the next level. So it's not so much about who is great and who is not great. It's just about giving them the opportunity and making them realize, all right, I'm on the right path or I am not on the right path, and what it's going to take. So it's just about giving them the opportunity to really be successful.
Will this day of a clinic or this 2-day clinic move to maybe an institution later on in your career?
Yeah. Again, playing at the highest level, it's something that it teaches you a lot, and there's a lot of experience that you can share with the youths, and again, I'm very passionate about doing that. I think to whom much is given, much is expected, and again, I don't think goalkeepers, especially in Jamaica, get enough attention, and you might find, gems slipping through the crack, so if we can really do this and continue to grow it, which is the aim, I think that, a lot of positives can come from something like this.
Yeah, I think there's a big market for it in there, Jamaica, because at the lowest level, you don't really see much goalkeepers having specific training. Just like you can do something just to stand in the goal. They're tall enough so that's going to go and stand. We realize that you guys did a lot of footwork on this day. What's the importance of that now in the goalkeeping world?
Yeah, goalkeeping is changing. It's almost like if you can't use your feet, you're at a disadvantage. So if you can really get them into that from a younger age, you're setting them up to be a lot more successful. So again, as I said, these 2 days is to really give them a taste of what it's like or what it's going to take to be successful at the next level. Again, they're not going to make it in 2 days, but at least if they come with an open mind, wanting to learn, wanting to get better, they'll go back, to their clubs or to their schools, realizing like this is what I need to work on if I want to get to the next level.
All right, well done here, and
Thank
keep up the good work.